So after getting all the interior out of the car and then prepping the wiring, which took a few days, we cleaned it all up. I think there was about 6 or 7 pounds of wires just alone on that. That was crazy, had wires everywhere. We got everything zip tied nicely, cleaned up.
It's been a busy week here. Elvis is pretty well caught up to the fast auto car in terms of progress. The wiring harness has been simplified. We did turn the ignition on both cars. Everything's firing up and working as designed. All the weight has been stripped out and we are now ready to start assembling the next phase of the car.
And now it was grinding, cutting all the little metal tabs that are not needed in the car, weight savings, and also we don't want it in the way when we're building the next section when we start putting the car together.